So nice to see good participation on a Sunday. Thank you so much for joining. This session will be exactly for 30 minutes as today is Raksha Bandhan. And I hope that whatever I share with you, you guys can benefit from it. And maybe it could be one of the turning points in your career and professional life. So in exactly 1 minute, I think we should start now. It's 11 o'clock. So good morning, friends. So I just put up my presentation again. Thank you so much, Naveenji. Good morning. So if you all have any questions whilst I am giving my presentation, you can type in the chat box. And after my presentation is over, so now I am going to start my presentation. So before I presented the financial entrepreneur program, I would like to talk about who are you as a individual in your individual professional capacity. So you could be somebody who is from the financial broking industry, like a mutual fund agent or a wealth advisor or an insurance advisor, or you could be an existing sub-broker, or somebody who is not from the financial industry at all, and doesn't understand financial markets, a complete fresher. Or you could be somebody who is a chartered accountant or an insurance agent, somebody who deals with a lot of customers. Or you could be just a market trader, somebody who trades in the market, right? So you could be anyone. My screen is visible. I hope my screen is visible to each one of you all. Correct? So can you just confirm that the screen is visible? Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. All right. So you could be anyone from this particular industry, and I don't know of any other category that you could fall into. So either you could be somebody who's a fresher who doesn't understand anything about the financial markets, and this presentation could be applicable to you, or you could be a market trader who has trading experience but not broking experience. Yeah, you can put all the questions on the chat box. I will answer once my presentation is over. You could be already somebody who's into sub-broking and intermediation, or you could be a wealth advisor, an insurance agent, or a mutual fund agent, or you could be somebody who works in the broking industry, somebody who has worked in the broking industry and now is into some other profession, or somebody like a chartered accountant, insurance agent who is basically dealing with a lot of customers. So you could be of any of these professions, but most importantly, you should have one quality in you, is that you should have a passion to grow. You should be comfortable in reaching out to people, open to learning new things. If the basic thing, if you have in place, then this idea which I'm going to put forth makes a lot of sense. So moving forward, the industry that we operate, the financial markets, the capital markets, primary markets as well as secondary markets, let's call it financial markets. So the financial markets potential is huge right now. In fact, the golden period is started. The next 7 to 10 years are going to be the fantastic years for anybody and everybody who invests or participates in the financial markets in any capacity, even as an investor, even as a broker, even as a financial intermediary. Why? Because Indians are realizing that the financial markets are the way for wealth creation. Now, just to give you some statistics, today we are clocking in excess of 2 lakh crores of daily market turnover. This 2 lakh crores is the volume that's happening on the exchanges, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, where people are buying and selling shares. So 2 lakh crores of volume is happening on the exchanges. And even if you take 10 paisa brokerage and multiply by 2 lakh crore, imagine the amount of brokerage that is being generated on a daily basis. If you talk about demat accounts, we have got as of now 4 crore demat accounts today, and we just had some lakhs couple of years ago. I will show you the exact statistics. Now, assuming that we collect even 100 rupees as demat AMC charges, which anybody and everybody today pays, imagine the amount of money you can raise as against demat AMC. We have more than 12 lakh crores in mutual funds. So mutual funds commissions are generally in the range of 1.5% on a gross basis. So even if you were to consider 20%, imagine the amount of commission that comes in from mutual fund segment alone. IPOs, this August month has been the largest number of IPOs being launched in 2021, and I think it is one of the many IPOs month in history. So you would also, all of you all might be aware that LIC also, India's largest financial institution, LIC of India, is also going to have its IPO very soon. So the IPO market is huge, and the kind of IPOs that are being coming out and the kind of money that's being raised is huge. Can you guys tell me on the chat box any latest IPO that you have heard or have been following? One particular IPO has been very much in the news. Anyone on the chat? Yes, Mr. Naveen, you're right. Zomato. Zomato IPO was a lot were talked about, and it got nobody expected that the Zomato IPO would get oversubscribed, and there were so many questions and stories, and still people think that this IPO market is very, very exciting. And whilst I talk about all these opportunities, this reality that more than 40 lakh crores of deposits are still lying in the banking system in the form of savings account or fixed deposits. Now you all know that fixed deposits and savings account hardly fetch between 4 to 6% interest, and the inflation, if you count at 6% or 7%, that means you are not gaining anything by putting your money in the banking system. I am not saying that you should not put any money at all. You should have some money as contingent fund, emergency fund, but you cannot have your entire corpus in the banking system. And that's why there is a huge need for education, for awareness, to educate people around that if you do this, you are actually not building wealth but destroying it. You need to understand that. And there are products which offer safety as well as higher returns, but it is the pure lack of awareness amongst investors that they get missold, and their perceptions result in value and wealth destruction. So we must understand that there is a huge potential of this market, where what market I'm talking about, financial markets, offers a lot of potential, and the next 7 to 10 years are going to be the golden years. So if you start this business now, you are actually going to start a business in an industry which is going to boom, which is a booming industry, not a lagging industry. So I hope this part I've been able to tell you. The other thing that we have to understand is what we just got proven is that financial markets is a pandemic-free business. Even in the pandemic, which happened after 100 years, once in 100 years we witness a pandemic. So this pandemic, Corona, during the Corona times, so many people have lost their means of earning. Their businesses have stopped. People have not been paid salaries. People have taken pay cuts, but the financial markets was tagged by the government as a essential services. And not one day the financial markets, the stock exchanges, the stock brokers have not worked. In fact, the work has gone more than ever. And you can see from the slide that I put, the CDSL, the number of demat accounts. So just in 2005, year 2005, let me say 2008, year 2008, we were like 50 lakh demat accounts. And now in 2021, we are 4 crore demat accounts. And just to tell you the pace, in 2020, we were 2 crores. In a span of 1 year, we've grown by 100%. And this 2021 has a good 6 months left. We are not yet over, right? So 2021, we are going to grow more than 100% for sure for people opening demat accounts. Now, this itself will tell you that there is a shift happening in the mindset of Indians. Why are the Indians rushing to open a demat account? What is happening? The transformation is happening from the traditional asset classes that हम लोग पहले घर खरीदते हैं, फिर सोना खरीदते हैं और फिर FD में पैसा डालते हैं. Now the change is taking place. People are realizing that just they have a bank account, they must have a demat account. They must participate in mutual funds. Some part of savings must go into the mutual fund. You must invest in quality stocks. You must look at IPOs which are coming, which are great growth stories. That is why all this flow of business is happening. And this is the business that I'm trying to tell you that you can be also take a pie out of it. How I will explain you. But this is how it works. So what is the key mantra over here? The key mantra is that everybody needs to deal with finance. You agree? सबको पैसे से डील करना रहता है. Whether it is a person who is just starting his career or somebody who is at the end of his career, we all need to deal with finance. And the other thing what we need to do is what we generally do is that whatever money we get, we spend and then we save. But actually we should first save what we need to save and then do the spending from the remaining money. You agree? You guys agree? So just to show you a simple point, and here I want a little bit of participation. So I'll just share one small thing which I just prepared. Can you see my screen now? Is it proper? Okay. So here I've put an image of a person who is a 25-year-old boy. Now I want some participation from you to tell me that as a 25-year-old person, what do you think he would need as a financial product? इसको क्या चीजों की जरूरत लग सकती है? And I'm going to note these points. Okay. So in the chat box, if you guys can put, so I will note these points. Is my screen visible? Sorry. Okay, so let me take down the points. Term plan, yes. Demat, insurance, car house, mutual funds, tax benefits. Okay, hold on. Let me do something like, let me open an Excel file and note down your points. So please keep it coming. Please keep it coming, all the points. Okay, so somebody said, so let me put this over here, 25-year-old. Somebody said mutual funds. Somebody said term plan. Somebody said wealth creation. Okay, let me go back to the chat. Mutual fund. Okay, somebody said demat account. education, education experience. Okay. Car, house. Okay. Marriage, travel. So education loan comes with education experience. So let me put this education over here, education loan. So, okay, knowledge about market. So that fine. So that we understand. So that comes in education. So let's make it education over here. Education studies. Pension, let's call it retirement. So from a 25-year-old person, we were able to identify 10 things that he would want. Okay. Now, moving forward, tell me. Second, where's my image? Yeah. Can you see my image? Okay. Now, from a newborn baby perspective, tell me from a newborn baby perspective, what all would you, what a newborn baby would require? एक किसी माँ बाप को बच्चा हुआ है, somebody has got a child, new baby. What should the parents do for the newborn baby in terms of financial markets? So I'm going back to my Excel sheet over here. I'm going back to the chat. Okay, somebody said medical insurance. Okay, so that comes in term plan, but let me put also Mediclaim over here. And now I'm going for the newborn baby. The newborn baby. Okay, for the newborn baby, again, education funds, health plans, financially strong. Financially strong, I don't know what it means, but maybe let's talk about some funds. Okay, so let's say some contingent funds for the baby in case of any emergency or something. Yes, marriage, higher study. So that comes in education, but fine. So let me call it higher study and education in the same category. आप किसी को बच्चा हुआ है, somebody's got a kid. So let's call it savings plan for the future. So let's call it funds at key ages, at key stages, right? Like let's say when the child is in the 12th standard, when his child is in the 15th standard, when child is 21 years of age. Let's call it like that. Fair enough. So these are some of the points which you said that we require. Yes, I will move on, but just need to quickly talk about two more categories: a 45-year-old man and a senior citizen. Please, minutes. Give me your inputs for a 45-year-old man and a senior citizen. So for a 45-year-old man, what they would require, and for a senior citizen, what we require. So there are so many ideas coming in. Here it's pension plan. Monthly income plans. These are your ideas. Monthly income plans, very nice. Term plan for 45. Term plan. Retirement funds. Funds for charity. Fair enough. So, friends, you can see that you all have a lot of ideas when it comes to individuals which are in a specific age bracket. And according to us, all of these people will genuinely need these products. Agree? If I tell you one thing which might shock you, that many couples who have children don't do all this planning properly. Many 45-year-olds are not adequately having term plan. Many senior citizens, after reaching this stage of seniority, do not have any regular income flow which would take care of their aspirations. When they could have saved a lot of money and they didn't have any liabilities to them, didn't save maximum money and spent a lot of their money on useless things. This is happening, my friends. This is happening as we speak. And our job as financial entrepreneurs, as financial advisors, is to spread this message that what is the right thing to do. Tell me, if you are telling somebody to save as per their age and their requirement, are you not doing a financial service to the community? If you tell a 25-year-old for 25 minutes that, boss, what is the effect of power of compounding? How you can create wealth for yourself by the time you reach 45. If you were to act now, and how many such 25-year-olds get that opportunity? Correct? That is the opportunity that we are talking. Hang on a minute. I am talking about generating 1 lakh rupees per month without any investments. I am talking about the financial markets which are now growing at an accelerating rate. I am talking about 1.25 crore Indians, out of which many of them, you yourself are pointing out, require so many financial services, so many financial products, and they are not doing it. So this is the opportunity which, as financial entrepreneurs, you can capture. Moving on to my presentation. So my presentation. This always is a question across everybody. Where to invest? How to invest? What is the safety? What returns? What will be the impact of that investments? People are scared. People don't have answers. People really don't know what to do, where to do, how to do. And they don't even do the basics. So all this is important because this leads to sharing of the right information with the right person at the right time. And if that person understands and starts investing, you start making a business opportunity through Prabhudas Leeladhar. So you need to ask yourself, like I just made an Excel and I asked you that what person will require what. Can you do a small exercise after this presentation is over? Write down how many people you know who are within 25 years of age. How many couples you know who have a baby who is less than 5 years of age? How many 45-year-old men or women you know? How many senior citizens do you know? You will be surprised that each of you would know at least 100 to 200 people, if not less. And if you also ask your sister, brother, wife, सबको आप पूछेंगे, you ask all your close family members, how many newborn couples, how many couples you know who just had a newborn baby? How many people who are 25 years of age? How many 45-year-old? How many senior citizens? You might know 500,000 people. Imagine, अगर आप ये सब लोगों के पास जाते हो, and because you are a friend, you talk to them. Are you saving? This Excel file which we just wrote, do you have this? Imagine is it not possible that if not 100%, at least 50% of they might require some product or the other? 50% of them might require some product or the other. You agree or no? 50%. 50% लोग so that's the business opportunity. There is where you connect. So this was just that what I put up, that a 25-year-old would require term plans, a 25-year-old would require retirements. So all this we discussed. But also what is important is give a certain product to a particular person. It is very important to understand the risk profiling. If you are talking about a 60-year-old senior citizen, you cannot talk about a risky investment product. There has to be safety of capital. So there has to be more of fixed income products like debt markets and less of equities. But if you talk of a 25-year-old person, he can be 100% invested in equities. When you talk of a 45-year-old, there has to be a balance between debt and equity. Agree or no? Agree or no? Right? So, आप 60 साल के सारा पैसा स्टॉक मार्केट में डाल दे, उसको कैपिटल प्रोटेक्शन ज्यादा जरूरी है, उसको रिटर्न ज्यादा जरूरी नहीं है. वो 60 साल का बंदा है, उसने अपनी जिंदगी जी ली है, उसको अभी अपने पैसे को एंजॉय करना है. बट ऐसे भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो एफडी से ज्यादा रिटर्न देते हैं और सेफ है. डेट म्यूचुअल फंड्स. एनीबॉडी हर्ड ऑफ डेट म्यूचुअल फंड्स? गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स, bonds, right? So there are a lot of products. Abhi, which is the NCD that is coming out, which is offering 9.75%. अभी एक नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर आ रही है, और जब कभी भी ये कंपनी ने एनसीडी निकाली है तो सेम डे पे सब्सक्राइब हो जाता है. यस मिस्टर भोसले, यू आर राइट. एडलवाइज की एनसीडी आ रही है, एडलवाइज की एनसीडी आ रही है. तो जिसको फिक्स्ड इनकम प्रोडक्ट में जाना है, आपको इसके बारे में बताओगे तो यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, इज इट नॉट? एंड इफ एनीबडी सब्सक्राइब्स एंड दे गेट इट, then whenever you get commissions, so that's the opportunity. So aren't you doing a service? You are doing a service, you are spreading knowledge, at the same time you need to understand the goal, to understand the mathematics. I've put this slide over here for your benefit. Mutual funds typically give us 1.5% commissions. I'm talking about the regular mutual fund schemes. Now, when you tell a 25-year-old or a 45-year-old to start investing in mutual funds, typically a lot of people will start saying that I want to save, I want to save, I want to save. Assuming you are able to generate 15,000 ka SIP and you're able to get 100 such people, then in a year, 15,000 into 12 into 100 would come to 1 crore 80 lakh rupees of investments. Agreed? Now the mutual fund commission, the mutual fund AMC will give us 1% commission. So that comes to 1,80,000 rupees of commission that we will get. Of this, Prabhudas Liladhar shares 75% with our sub-brokers. So if I am getting 1,80,000 rupees of commission, I will share 75% with you. You will get 1,35,000 rupees from that. And that means 11,250 rupees per month. Agree or disagree? Do you understand what I just explained over here? Anybody has got any questions? You can ask on the chat box. I am saying we all agreed that people need to save for retirement, for education, for travel, for emergency. One of the mediums of investing long term is mutual funds. Agree or disagree? I need participation, my friends. If you guys can put on the chat box, it will help me. Agree? So Mr. Naveen has said agree. Now the commission that we get from the mutual fund industry from the AMCs, not from the customer. We get commission from the AMC is 1 to 1.5%. I'm just taking 1% average. Now, suppose if you were to get 100 clients over a period of time, let's say 6 months. This is a 6-month goal. I've written 6 months. In 6 months, you get 100 clients, giving 15,000 rupees each for 12 months. You will get 1 crore 80 lakh rupees or no. Of that 1% is 1,80,000. Of that 75% is 1,35,000. Monthly, you will make 11,250. Let's talk about insurance. We all agreed everywhere in the Excel sheet that insurance is required. Mediclaim, house insurance, car insurance. Somebody mentioned car insurance. Can you drive a car without insurance? Can you drive a car without insurance? Anybody? Can you drive a scooter without insurance? Yeah? Can you drive a car or scooter without insurance? You cannot. Now, there are so many instances of houses catching fire because of short circuits and all these kinds of things. Trees falling on people. Right? So don't you want to be protected? The insurance are very paltry, but you can get, people are insuring even their white goods these days. A fridge costs anywhere between 80,000 to 1 lakh, a good fridge. A TV costs anywhere between 50,000 to 75,000, a good TV, a good LED. These are all white goods. A normal bed costs anywhere between 50,000 to 70,000. So when you are spending so much amount of money on your furniture, by investing some part in insurance, you are leading a carefree life. So insurance, let's assume general insurance, we get 10% from the insurance companies. Let's say you got 20,000 rupees of insurance cover premium and you got 20 such customers. So you collected 4 lakh premium, 4 lakh premium of 10%, 40,000 we get. As Prabhudas the other, we share 50%. So you get 20,000. And this you get as soon as the policy is issued. Let's talk about life insurance. Newborn babies. You understood about newborn babies? Newborn babies, we all talked about education plans. We all talked about retirement plans. So there are these insurance schemes which guarantee you that when your baby reaches a certain age, you will get so much amount of money. After that, you will get so much amount of money every year, every month, in a certain fixed cycle. So let's say you get 40,000 rupees worth insurance policy and you get 20 such people. So you get 8 lakh rupees of premium. And if we share anywhere between 25 to 30% commission we get, so that is 2 lakh 40. And stock markets, we have talked about demat accounts and investments. So if you have a direct investment account, the brokerage industry yield is 4%. The brokerage industry yield is 4%. And 4% means that if anybody gives you 5 lakh rupees, you would make 4% on that 5 lakhs. So if you get 20 such customers, you would have collected 1 crore and a 4% on 1 crore is 4 lakhs. Your sharing could be anywhere between 50 to 70% depending on tie-up with Prabhudas later. And you would make 2,80,000 rupees annually, which is 23,000 a month. These things I told you, my friends, are easily possible. And the way to get them also, you only gave me the ideas that who would require what. Your job is to basically connect the person with the product. And that person, we are not hard selling them. We are not pushing any product. Agar you have fever, what you do? You go to doctor. You take medication. Did the doctor say, come to me, I want to give you medication? No. It is your need, so you went to the doctor. The same way in finance, it is the need of everybody. They will become beggars when they go old. They will not have money to pay for their basic financial requirements. Agree or disagree? Agree or disagree, my friends? So we need to understand this small thing and we need to ensure that these things are marketed and made aware at a very large scale in all your close friends, because you are doing a financial service. If you want to make this happen, it's possible, but this cannot come without hard work. So what needs to be done is, I've just taken an example of a mutual fund. So in the mutual funds, what did I said? If you want to earn 11,000 rupees per month, you need to have 100 clients giving you 15,000 rupees of SIP every month. For doing that, you should have a database of 200 people. If you call 200 people, you will convert, let's say, 100 people of them. For calling 200 people, you need to call 6 people in a day. So you will reach out to 200 people in a month. How many people you need to call? Only 6 people. If you call 6 people in a day, you will reach out to 200 people in a month. Let's say one call takes 5 minutes. 6 calls will take 30 minutes. If you want to earn 11,000 without any investments, you need to spare only 30 minutes of your day calling 200 people whom you know. But in a single day, you need to call only 6 people. 6 जन से बात करना है आपको. 6 जन से बात करना है आधी घंटा म्यूचुअल फंड सेविंग के बारे में. आपने 6 जन से बात किया, 3 जन आपसे धंधा करेंगे. ऐसे आपने काम किया, 100 जन आपके पास में आ जाएंगे. 100 जन अगर आपके पास में आ गए, आपको possible or not possible? Am I talking impossible? Yes, I'll explain. So in our broking industry, when you invest in a demat account, share trading account, the broking industry yield is typically 4%. It's like if somebody gave me 1 lakh rupees to invest in the stock markets, as a stockbroker, I will earn 4,000 rupees, that is 4% on 1 lakh rupees in the entire 365 days. That is my industry yield, sir. Vinay Palkarji. So I have said that if I collect 5 lakh rupees from 20 people, I would have collected 1 crore. And in a full year, from 1 crore, 4%, I will earn 4 lakhs. And I'm sharing that 70% with you depending on your tie-up with me. Anywhere between 50% to 70%. So you will make this kind of money. I hope you have understood what I said. Yeah. Now, you can also refer partners. You can also refer franchisees, sub-brokers. Let's say you know somebody who is doing a sub-broking business. Somebody who you know already doing business in the financial markets. Your job is just to connect me with them. If they connect and there's a panel, from their business, I'll give you 10%. From their ready business, I'll give you 10%. So this is another way of earning money. This is one way of making money. This is your hard work and this is your smart work. If you do smart work by referring people who are already into this business, then you will make 10% from their business. Smart work, hard work, combination, great work. Correct? But what you need to do to start, you need to register with me as an authorized person. Because when you are registered with me as an authorized person, then I can share commissions with you. These commissions that I showed you over here, this 75%, 50%, I can share if you are registered with me. And these are the documents that I require for registrations. If you want to register with me and you don't want to take down these notes, don't worry. Just email me at plbd@plindia.com and I will, my team will come back to you and we will get in touch with you. And we will explain you one-on-one also if you have any further questions. But the point is that for getting these commissions, you have to register with me as an authorized person. Now, when you register with me as an authorized person, There are three models which are possible. One model is that you take my office, you take a proper office, you take my signboard, you take my terminal, you give me a deposit, and you open the customers' accounts and you also punch orders for your customers. The second model is that you work out of my office. I have got some 14-15 branches and more than 250 franchisee outlets across India in 250 cities, more than 1,000 franchises. So when you operate out of my office, it is called a sitting sub-broker. And when you are just going to open and refer customers and the servicing, trade execution, risk management is everything taken care of Prabhudas Liladhar by Prabhudas Liladhar, it is called an introducer setup. So these are the three setups. So as an introducer, your job is to only open accounts and refer customers to me. As a sub-broker with proper office, your job is to not only open accounts, but also execute orders for your customers. So it's a deeper relationship. And that's why the sharing in that case is more compared to an introducer. You all, I should spend 2 minutes talking about Prabhudas Liladhar. Prabhudas Liladhar is one of the oldest brokers in the capital markets. We started in 1944. We are in our 78th year of market operation. We were the first corporate member of Bombay Stock Exchange. We are well known in the market as an old trusted broker, and we have been operating smoothly and successfully because of a very experienced management whose picture I have put over here. The lady in the center is our joint managing director, Ms. Amisha Bora. And on the left hand side is our chairman, Shri Arun Sheth. He is the son of Shri Prabhudas Liladhar Sheth. And on the extreme left is Mr. Dhiren Sheth. He is the brother of Arun Sheth and head of operations and technology. On the right hand side next to Amisha Bora is Shri Dilip Bhatt, who takes care of institutional and PMS business. He is the joint managing director. And on the extreme right is Shri Mihir Bhai, who is the son of Arun Bhai and group director. Prabhudas Liladhar has won a lot of awards for its research as one of its USP, and we have won many awards locally as well as internationally. We also won Asia's Most Admired Brand Award by White Page International twice in a row, and we were also the #1 broker for research for 6 months continuous on a quant-based website called Market Mojo. We do everything that finance touches, not only broking products like equity, commodity, currency, but also our own PMS. We have our own NBFC. We have loan against shares. We have algo market products. We have international markets. We have got stock lending, borrowing. We have got IPOs. We have got the entire distribution products like insurance, home loans, loan against property, online bills. We have got a very, very powerful mobile app. We have got online account opening. We have got a complete package for our sub-brokers where we train them on our processes, on our research products. Every product head has got its expertise, which will help our sub-brokers in growing their business. So we do everything that finance touches. If anybody has a question over here, please raise questions. On this slide is a very important slide. As a financial broker, I am into everything that finance touches, and I have got all the products which can be suited for any type of customer need, as I mentioned. In terms of research, the performance of our research, the derivative desk is very good. You see, in the month of July, we had 81 calls, out of which 3 lakh rupees was the net profit. Technical calls, we give a lot of calls. Positional calls, thematic calls, momentum calls, buy today, sell tomorrow calls. And we have the entire fundamental research. You can follow our research on our Telegram channel, PL India online channel. If you want to follow our Prabhudas Liladhar research, you can download Telegram channel and join PL India online Telegram channel. You will get all these research calls, and you can judge our performance. Even the back history, you can see what research we are giving. Finally, I come to the end of my presentation. I would like to ask if there are any questions. I would love to answer them. The presentation has been over, my friends. It's been 11:50. I have overshooted by 20 minutes. So quickly, if you have any questions, I would love to answer them before we call it a day. Any questions? Anybody? Yes, Mr. Atulji, yes, we can provide training. Training for algo. Now, when you talk about algo markets, we have strategic tie-ups with Wealthdesk and TradeTron. If you can go to our PL India website strategy shop, you will see a strategy shop. In that you will see TradeTron, where you can do paper trading, and we can help you code your algo strategies, as well as you can subscribe to existing strategies that are giving wonderful returns. So do write to plbd@plindia.com for more. Mr. Prahlad, you need more information on PMS. Definitely, I'll give you, sir. We have our own PMS. Prabhudas Leather, it's got its own PMS license, where we have got 3 PMS schemes running. The most important one is MADP, multi-asset fund, which invests in indexes in across 6-7 markets. Then there's a multi strategy, which invests in large cap, mid cap, and small cap PMS. And our PMSs have been doing really very well. The performance of which I can email you if you share your email ID with me. We also sell PMS of other PMS providers like Purnartha, Alchemy, Marcellus, Ask Raymond James. Now, as a PMS, there are three types of cost structures to the client. One is brokerage, other is profit sharing, third is fund management. So out of the fund management fee, which is generally 2%, we share 50% of that. And brokerage, we share 50%. Or we also, profit sharing, we don't share. In certain cases, we share 20% of the profit share that generates. Yes, if you give me your email ID, I can email you the documentation and PMS details as well. Mr. Yunus Ali, I will answer your question. Yeah. How much brokerage for delivery? So typically, you should the brokerage for delivery is 1 paisa and 10 rupees per option. That depends on the type of customer. But this is the average. Below this, what you will charge the customer. Yes, we can help you towards algo. We can help you put training. Yeah. For that. Now, Mr. Yunus Ali, you asked a question that how can Zerodha is charging zero brokerage and how. So let me show you something which will be of quite use to you. And the other thing is that when nobody gives any free lunches, if the product doesn't have any charge, that means the product is you. There are no free lunches, sir. Nothing is free. When they say that Zerodha is not charging brokerage, they are charging something else, but not showing it as brokerage. I'll show you what I mean. So just let me, yeah, Mr. Naveen, you can upgrade as, you can update as the, when you are taking as a sitting sub-broker, later on you can upgrade as a main sub-broker. You can email at plbd@plindia.com. MADP, PMS revenue, whatever is the brokerage will get shared with you, sir. plbd@plindia.com you need to connect with for sub-brokership. I'll just answer that question of Mr. Yunus. 1 second. Just give me a minute, friends. So, Mr. Yunus, are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen? Mr. Yunus? Yeah. Now, this is the comparison that I have put for discount broker and somebody like Prabhudas Liyada. So let me tell you, the discount broker doesn't give you any kind of research or hand-holding support. With Prabhudas Leather, it is possible. Now, when you talk of a discount broker, you're talking of somebody who's given a child a loaded pistol, and the child can go and murder himself or anybody else, because they don't give you any advice. They give you a wonderful platform which kind of addicts you to transfer money and trade, but you don't know what you're buying and what you're selling. Ultimately, you can lose a lot of money. So here at Prabhudas Leather, we give you a lot of research from our end, which helps you to be in the right side of the trade. Yes, Mr. Subhash, you can take my sub-brokership even if you are with Sher Khan, but in a different name. Now, the other thing, discount brokers, like I said, it's not like they say that they are discount. The fact is, they are not discount. They don't charge you brokerage by saying zero brokerage, which is actually as a sub-broker a loss to you, but they collect a lot of money as other charges. What are those other charges? Demat AMC and Demat AMC charges. So in Prabhudas Leather, we have multiple Demat options. When I say multiple Demat options, what do I mean? I have got a Demat scheme in which you don't have to pay any AMC and there are no Demat charges. I have a deposit-based scheme in which you don't have to pay AMC and there are no DPC charges. A discount broker will never give you that scheme, sir, because his income is coming from that source. I have got a lifetime no AMC scheme. Whether you open an account with me, you can limit your liability with me. But in case of a discount broker, you have to pay the yearly AMC. A discount broker charges you if you call their desk and trade from them. I have a centralized dealing desk which doesn't charge anything. If the discount broker squares up your trades, they charge you for RMS action. We don't have any charges. A discount broker doesn't give you any relationship management or business development support. I will allocate a dedicated relationship manager for you. A discount broker doesn't give you any account opening support. I will put people with you to help you open offline accounts as well. Many of the discount brokers charge lot of pledging charges, high pledging charges. Angel broking charges 40 rupees pledging charges. Mr. Yunus, are you listening to me? This is for you, I'm doing this. We charge 10 rupees. Discount brokers do not give limit across the board. We have a consolidated limit figure where you upload the margins, you will get the single from the single pledge, you will get commodity, currency, equity. Upstocks doesn't do that. The customer support in discount broker is only via email and phone calls after a lot of effort. We can also meet you personally. Discount brokers do not share Demat AMC collected. We share 20% of Demat AMCs collected with our sub-brokers. So discount brokers do not share anything in Demat AMC. Discount brokers say we are discount, so they reduce your brokerage earning potential. But they collect that differential via Demat and don't share. We share brokerage, we share Demat also. And we are offering lower. Like I told you, in options, you can offer 10 rupees also to your customer. Whereas discount broker says we will charge minimum 20 rupees. So, sir, what you say discount is actually not discount. It is just a myth. So, I will also share my phone number as many people have requested contact details. So, I hope I was able to answer your question. This is my direct cell number and my name is Vikas Ved. I would appreciate that we speak after some time, because after this, I'm going for my Raksha Bandhan. But you can call me anytime and I will be glad to help you. You can email at plbd@plindia.com and I will come back to you personally. If I have missed any questions, yeah, I don't think so. I've missed any questions. Thank you so much, friends. Wait, hold on. Yes, Mr. Amit Vaskar, we have a non-AP program. We call it the direct referral agent. In a direct referral agent, You don't need to sign up as an authorized person with me. I'll be giving 350 rupees per account opening incentive and 20% referral fees as brokerage per month. So if you do not want to sign up as an authorized person, you can become a direct referral agent with me. We have a direct referral program. Thank you, Dineshji, for that compliment. I will definitely come back to each one of you all who have chatted over here. Sure, Tulji, I'll provide the details on email ID. If you have any specific requirements or you don't hear from me for some reason, please don't mind, but email at plbd@plindia.com. But I am going to note all this and come back. Yes, my number, I did share my number, but I'll again share is 98201-91445. My name is Vikas Ved. I am the head of franchisee business. You can call me at any point of time. Friends, thank you so much for your participation. Have a great weekend ahead. And I will take down all the email IDs and send. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you. I'll just note down the emails. So I will definitely come back to you guys. Thank you. Thank you.